Today I'm going to install peg lock onto my garage door. Typically in a garage you have 3 walls that you can use for storage space, and then your garage door is rendered useless. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put peg lock onto my garage door. Basically what peg lock is it's a modular storage system. You have these boards right here that you mount directly to a wall. You don't have to fur them off. And then you have these pegs right here that actually get inserted into these slots, and they quarter turn into place to lock in place like that. In traditional peg board, you would typically hang your tools. With peg lock, you don't have to hang your tools. You can, but you can actually snap your tools in place like so. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount this single board to my garage door, just using 1-inch black drywall screws. And then I'm going to hang this hammer with just these 2 pegs, and we're going to open up the garage door and see what happens. And I'm going to do this all in real time so you can see how easy it is and how quick it is to install. So I got some screws here in my pocket, and there's, provided in the peg lock, there's little holes in between the slots that you can actually screw. You can put your screws in. So you can see this takes about 30 seconds or so to install just a single board. Okay, so I'm going to take my hammer, snap it in place, and I'm going to walk over and open up the garage door. And we'll go ahead and shut it. Go over and grab my hammer.